In my last video, I shared 7 simple steps to help you introduce yourself whenever you join an online class, online course, or online community. In today's video, I'll put those 7 steps to test by showing you how to use it. Let's dive in. Hi there, I am super excited to be here. The opportunity to study this public speaking course and to be a part of this amazing online community means everything to me. My name is Samira, but you can call me Sel. I really like watching TED Talks, and in my spare time, I enjoy working out at the gym. Over the next 6 months, I'd love to learn how to improve my body language, my audience engagement, and my virtual presentation introductions. I'm currently based in Liverpool and I've been wanting to improve my public speaking skills for a while now. Just out of curiosity, why did you decide to join this public speaking course in the first place? Now that you've seen my 7 steps into action, go back to my previous video and be sure to implement those steps. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and hit that like button so I can continue making more videos like this just for you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next one.